Hi everyone, welcome to another video on Google Apps Script where we are going to create a tool for writers. So as we can see here, I have a folder called Write Books with Docs, and inside that I have a file called Index. This is a Google Docs file, and when I open this file, uh, okay, I get a custom menu and it says Show Sidebar, and here I have got a sidebar. Okay, when I go to my root folder, that is my Google Drive. Uh, I go to AppScript and I'm just going to run the on open method. I'm naming my root folder as 99 stories. You can just name it as anything, and once I do that, in my root folder, let me search 99 stories. It's not yet created, so let me root folder name. Yes, root folder if not exist, let me create that. So this time, so it is created. This is where all my stories will be, all my work is going to get created. Now we come back to this and we have four icons. One is add folder, refresh, add doc and open. So let me just refresh it. When I refresh it, I see my root folder is there. Inside that there is nothing, because when I go to my root folder, inside that I don't have anything, right? So I'll just go ahead and create a new folder here and refresh it, and as we can see here, my new folder is created. I'm going to name it this. As here also I can go and access this and say my short stories, I'm going to write in this folder. Okay, great. Refresh it. Okay, and now I'm going to create a new folder. Refresh it again. Sometimes if it takes time, you can wait or just do it again. So it created here, but what I want to do is I want to write my novel here, right? So I go here and I say add new folder, give it some time and refresh it. It's going to create another folder next to the short stories, and I'll name this as my, you know, um, SEO work or something, right? Refresh it. Wow, awesome. Now in the SEO work, I want to select this folder and click on doc. Once it is done, I refresh it. Now when I go inside SEO work, I have a new doc. So what I need to do is I select this new doc and click on open. It's going to open in a new tab. Now I'll call this as Project X, and this is my first SEO project, whatever, right? And I just go ahead and close it and come back here and refresh it, and it's right here, right? Short stories, and this folder we don't need, maybe we need it, we don't know. So I select the folder, click on open, it opens that folder for me. Okay, so I'm going to rename this as horror stories collection, and beautifully I can manage my work over here over my period of time, and everything is just organized so nicely, right? Even what I can do is I love to, start my new novel that I want to write here, refresh it, and new folder, open it. my life. Okay, and that's my novel. Okay, so I just refresh it, go inside this, select this, and click on create a doc. And now it could be my chapter 1 of my book, and I'll call it as chapter 1 childhood. Okay, so now I can write any chapter I want any day. I just go here and you get the idea that I have them organized into chapters, and now I just edit my chapters, and at some point of time the idea is I'll have my teenage years. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you how to create this tool in your Google Drive so that all your writings are organized in a very beautiful way, and you can keep on writing your stories, and whichever one you want you can just go ahead and edit it. Okay, so suppose I want to write teenage years, I open it and I just type away. All right, so that's the way we can organize it. Now, to explain this, I will go ahead and first thing is I have to create a folder in my Google Drive, which I have created in my projects store folder. And all you have to do is once you get the link of this, so you can get the link of this in the description below. You get the link of this, copy this file, and once you open it, I'll close everything, and you go to extensions and app script. I named my root folder as 99 stories, something I've been using for a long time. So, okay, and I think I'll do some cleanup of the code, right? That's great, that's great. Don't need this. So, you just need to run this once and approve all the permissions, then you're set. All you have to do is go to custom menu, and so I can do one thing, the custom menu as well. I can name this as 99 stories, and show sidebar is fine, right? uh, then I just refresh it, so you can always go here and show the sidebar, and just any day you can just start writing your work over here from the uh, project of your choice. So I'm going to put all the code and everything in the description below, and you will be able to go ahead and run it from your system and it'll work for you. Thank you so much for watching the demo, and have a great day.